What does it take to make the world work? To stock our shelves, power our communities, care for those who feel pain, and experience times of great joy. At Rockwell Automation, we make all these things possible. For all of life's moments, milestones, and celebrations, we are there, helping the world work better, faster, stronger, to be more connected and more intelligent. Because we know that when we combine the imaginations of people with the power of machines, anything is possible. Together with the world's innovators, makers, and problem solvers, we stand ready to lead the way, because that is where we belong. Rockwell Automation, expanding human possibility.